Hey everyone, guess what? We're in Disney World.
Surprise!
Surprise! We are celebrating our 2-year anniversary, and we decided why not go to Disney World?
Yep.
And we told one couple. That was it. We told only Bob and Ashley. Little secret. Dave from Brandy and Dave has been trying to get us to come out here during their trip because they are here right now, and we kept telling them we couldn't come.
Here we are.
Here we are. We're going to hopefully find them and surprise them because despite our anniversary, I also want to surprise them and let them know, hey, your YouTube friends are here too. So anyway, we are going to head out. We're going to head to Animal Kingdom.
To meet up with Bob and Ashley.
We're staying here at the beautiful Saratoga Springs again. If you haven't, please check out that room tour Crystal did the last time we stayed here. But let's get ready, let's head out, and let's start the adventure of this surprise anniversary trip.
Let's go.
All right, well, as I said, we are staying here at the beautiful Saratoga Springs. And just to give you a little tip, if you want to stay somewhere that is close to Disney Springs, suggest Congress Park. This is where we stayed the time before when Crystal did the room tour, and we requested that today. Literally right across the lake here is the balloon. So we can walk right across the bridge, go to Disney Springs whenever we want. So if you want to be by Disney Springs, suggest Congress Park. Plus, you have your own pool. It's pretty awesome.
Got here, and before you even go through the entrance, there's one of the Lion King photo opportunities with a photo pass photographer, and it's so fun. It's the rare one.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's definitely a cool picture.
Yeah.
So
and it's quick too.
Yeah.
So
if it's still here when you come visit, do it. It's a rare, cool opportunity for everyone who loves Lion King, which should be everyone.
Yeah, we had to do it because I have my Lion King shirt on.
As you saw in the pre-trip haul that came out the day we showed up.
Watch it.
Watch it.
Link down below.
Hit subscribe. Okay, we're now going to go in the park.
Yeah. We are over at Flame Tree Barbecue because it is about to downpour in Animal Kingdom and it's covered. So we're killing two birds with one stone, getting some food and getting out of the rain. We both got the Smokehouse Chicken Salad, which is mixed greens with croutons, chicken, it looks like onion straws, cheese, and a barbecue dressing. And then also the fries with pulled pork and cheese, which look delicious. So we're about to dive into this. This is our first time ever eating here, so we're pretty excited to give it a try.
All right, Crystal. This is our rain delay lunch break review. What did you think of Flame Tree Barbecue?
It was good. The flavors were really good. There was way too much dressing on the salad, I will say that. And the croutons were soggy, but it was pretty good. It was a good quick service meal. I would definitely come here again. Next time we need to get the mac and cheese because that's what everyone told us we have to get. But I thought the salad was pretty good. Asked them to go light on the dressing. And then the french fries were really good. The cheese, the plastic cheese, actually has a little bit of spice to it. So I thought those had really good flavor and those were really good. Those were probably better than the salad. But if you ask them to go light on the dressing, I think the salad would be really good. And it had like raisins, like those dried cranberries, and apples, and all kinds of stuff in there. So it was really good. I'd come back.
All right, well, it's thundering, so we're going to continue our rain delay. If you look through the brush, you can see the infamous Bob and Ashley sneaking up like a couple tigers in their habitat. Hey, well, we found Bob and Ashley. We're gonna go jump on Expedition Everest right now. Got our fast passes for that. The rain has subsided for a little bit, so we're gonna try and get this ride in as quick as we can. Okay. So further proof, here is proof that we did actually find Bob and Ashley, and I'm not just saying that. But they are in the video, so there you go.
Hi guys.
Ashley's in. Don't scream, Bob. Big drop. You're going climbing. Just go get it. Tracks out.
See if you run out of track.
Oh no, disco ready.
We went on.
Mount Everest.
Yay! It was fun.
I think Bryson cried
He did.
a little. But it is so much fun.
Yeah, so much fun. I love the big drop.
Do you like the backup?
No.
I don't either.
Nope, not a fan.
I close my eyes. I don't even know why because it's dark.
It's dark, so your eyes are pretty much closed when
Yeah.
they're open.
But it's still fun.
It's still fun, yeah. And it was started to sprinkle a little bit, and now supposedly it's raining again. So we'll see.
Go find something to do.
Go find something to do. And we have a safari here in a little bit. It should be good because it's nice and
Oh
cool
yeah.
out.
The animals will love it.
hmm
Let's go.
So if you didn't know, there's a back way that you can get across the park in Animal Kingdom. You can turn right after Pandora when you're walking through Africa back to the front of the park. You walk right behind the Tree of Life, and you get it right up to the Tree of Life and can see all the carvings and everything. It's awesome. It's really cool to see all the different animals and everything. So as you're walking through that back path, connects Africa and Asia. And like I said, you get to see all the Tree of Life on the backside with all the different animals. It's a nice little passageway. All right, we are heading to Dinosaur. Are we gonna make it? We're probably not gonna make it. Let's go ride Dinosaur.
Period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you, and not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Oh, we did make it! All right, well, we did dinosaur. Kind of just sitting here right now, waiting for some technical issues to get fixed.
Darn dinos.
Darn dinos. So I think the dino ate the track, and we're stuck.
We're going on an adventure.
A safari adventure.
Yep. It's raining, so hopefully we'll see a lot of cool animals because it's nice and cool out. But we're gonna go on a safari. First one of the trip. This is one of my favorite rides here, so I can't wait.
We just did Kilimanjaro safaris, and Crystal, would you say that that was probably one of the most active safaris we've ever done?
Yeah, it was really good. We saw 3 lions. They were not very active, actually.
No, they were sleeping.
But they were all out.
But they were right there.
We saw a ton of giraffe.
Yeah.
That was really cool. And like they were like running down the hill.
Yep. Emily,
The little bouncy things.
Box.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was pretty awesome. They were more bouncing than running, I felt like. But
yeah, it was really cool.
it had just rained, and it's nice and cool and overcast.
Mm-hmm.
So if that happens, go get on a safari because they are so active.
Yeah.
It's awesome. All right. Well, we're all just kind of wandering around trying to figure out what we're going to do. Kind of off and on raining here today. So see what we're going to do for the rest of day 1. All right, we're going to head out, so we're saying goodbye to Bob. Goodbye, Bob. Goodbye, Bob. Goodbye, Jim. Bye, Bob. And Ashley.
Bye, guys.
Oh, you should have said goodbye, Bob. And Trav.
Bye, guys.
All right. Thank you all for hanging out. We'll put links to the channels, their Instagrams, all down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Happy 2 years.
2 years.
Happy 2 years.